Let me ask you something. If someone followed you around all day and said to you what you say to yourself in your head, would you still want them in your life? Think about that for a second. So many of us are kind, loving, and encouraging to everyone around us. But when it comes to ourselves, we speak with doubt, criticism, and harshness. Why? You matter just as much as anyone else. And today, I want to remind you, talk to yourself like you matter because you do. Some of the most successful, joyful people in the world have one thing in common. No, it's not perfect looks. It's not millions in the bank. It's how they speak to themselves when nobody is watching. They've learned to silence the inner critic and become their own greatest encourager. They say things like, I can do this. I am growing. I may not be perfect, but I am valuable. And guess what? That inner voice becomes their strength. Now, I know it's not always easy. Maybe you grew up hearing negative things. Maybe life has hit you hard. But just because others didn't see your worth doesn't mean you don't have it. God didn't create you by accident. You were made with love, on purpose. Take someone like Oprah Winfrey. She grew up in poverty, faced rejection, and had every reason to believe she wasn't good enough. But she started changing how she talked to herself. She believed, I am worthy. And that belief changed her life. Or look at Michael Jordan. He was once cut from his high school basketball team. Instead of saying, I'll never be good enough, he told himself, I will prove them wrong. That shift in mindset turned him into a legend. What about you? What would happen if you started speaking life into your own heart? Let me speak directly to your heart. You've made it through 100% of your hardest days so far. You have strength inside you that you haven't even fully discovered yet. Start talking to yourself like you are someone you love. When you make a mistake, don't say, I'm so stupid. Say, I'm learning. I'll grow from this. When you feel behind, don't say, I'll never catch up. Say, my journey is different and that's okay. Your words are powerful. The God says, life and death are in the power of the tongue. That includes the tongue in your own head. So speak life. Speak love. Speak faith. Even when you don't feel it yet, especially when you don't feel it yet. Your future is listening. You are not broken. You are becoming. You are not lost. You are learning. You are not too late. You are right on time for your purpose. So, the next time you catch yourself thinking something cruel about yourself, stop. Take a deep breath. And say this instead. I matter. I am enough. I have what it takes. Because that's the truth. You matter to this world. You matter to God. And it's time you started talking to yourself like it. If this message speaks to your heart, type success in the comments. Let's build a new mindset together. Because your words create your worth. And you are building something beautiful.